How to check east, west, north or south in Google Maps. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to leave the subscribe button, and also it helps the channel grow, and hit a like if this video helps. So let's head to the video. First you open Maps. Once you open Maps, here you will find your current location, this blue icon. What you can do is you have to hold on the screen and you have to turn it. Once you turn it, here a compass option will show. Once you click on the compass option with the red line and the red arrow and the white arrow, once you click on it, it shows that the straight place is north, the right side is east, the down side is south, and the left side is west. But if you are confused at which face you are directed, you can just turn your phone. Once you turn your phone, you can see the blue shaded area on the blue dot keeps moving, and that's how you'll know that which direction you are faced. Like right now I am faced to the north, so that's why the blue side is faced towards the north. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.